was 6 years old, so I just remember watching it in my grandmother's house. And the rest of the time, to be honest, was seeing him coming home and all the streets were closed and there's people on the roofs and on top of the bus stops and all that sort of stuff coming down the street. And then growing up with Redlum in retirement, to be honest, and all the things he did, more than him actually racing.
Well, actually, just remind us because that's going back a fair way for me and maybe some of our younger listeners. What did he do after?
He was always parading, opening and showing up at all sorts of things, charities, an awful lot of the time. Then bookmakers and so on. He turned on Blackpool Lights. I think he actually won Sports Personality of the Year, but they wouldn't give it to an animal, um,
Amazing.
and so on. And went up in a lift into the studio in the BBC and that sort of stuff. So he was busier in retirement than he ever was racing, and he had a lot of racing, but he thrived on it and loved every minute of it.